Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you how to use new health and sensor features on your Apple Watch Series 11 step by step.
Step 1. Open the Health app on your Apple Watch. Open the Health or Fitness app. On your iPhone, open the Health app for detailed insights. Step 2. Set up sensors. Follow on-screen prompts to allow access to heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, or other sensors. Make sure wrist placement is correct for accurate readings. Step 3. Track health metrics. Heart rate. Open Heart Rate app. View current or historical data. Blood oxygen. Open Blood Oxygen app. Follow instructions to measure temperature and other sensors. Check in Health app. Enable monitoring and notifications. Step 4. Enable alerts and notifications. Go to Settings, Notifications, Health to get alerts for high-low heart rate, irregular rhythm, or other health metrics. Step 5. Review and share data. Open iPhone Health app. Tap metrics. Review trends. Share reports with doctors or family if needed.